everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, as you can see from the thumbnail, I'm making pancakes. I have 2 cups of flour in this bowl. I'll add baking powder, sugar, and I'll mix this very well. Now I'll add 1 egg. Cinnamon, and vanilla. I'll add milk. And I'll mix this with my hand mixer, but you don't have to use a hand mixer if you don't have one. You don't have to use it. You can use your hand to mix this. I just decided to use the hand mixer, so I'll just mix this well, and I'll add a bit of water because I felt like it was too thick, so I'm going to add a bit of water to it. So I'm going to just mix this very well till it's all combined well. Now that my pancake batter is ready, I'll just start frying my pancakes. Once the batter is ready, heat your frying pan up, add a bit of oil, spread that around, and start frying your pancakes.
Before I get high, when you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud 9. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you.
Now I'll just start putting my pancake batter inside the frying pan. 1 cooking spoon of pancake batter is okay if you are making small pancakes. So I'll put my pancake batter in my frying pan and let my pancake cook on both sides for about 5 to 7 minutes, and your pancakes are ready.
Foul, help her out, grab a towel. But they cheered to the governor while the beer was a love so rest assured. When I think out loud, there's always a crowd. Smoking heavy cloud.
Now that my pancake has cooked on one side, I'm just going to turn it and I'm going to cook on another side, and then my pancakes will be ready.
Without you, I know that something really special made me think about you, about you, about you, you. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you, about you.
Now my pancakes are ready, and I'll just keep frying more until I finish frying everything.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll love to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning.
Just keep frying until you are done with all your batter. We have come to the end of the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye guys.